famous
don't say skate Dr. Like mu group no oni chechekune 49 young vibrant guy
wait no say me show na here na me de no toto Kwakuma nu in the early days Kwakuma nu started acting you serious
yeah in fact me just 2 days ago yana
no statement like social media
from Akabineza production group no mo kaso true oyare but or confirm not chisia or j but omukra no improvement back akra omo hwe say public no e beta omochi with prayers na omo hwe enti because that time na menim so oyare enti me who statement na ma agene cause only to wake up and pay at say we free.
You have my Facebook page up. Ebenezer Production. Press statement immediate release 20th December 2024. Update on our brother C Confion. C Confion. I'll say it is with great sadness that we announce the demise of our brother Bright Owusu, popularly known as C Confion. We tried our possible best to do what we can do to save his life, but unfortunately he left us. Thank you all for your love, support, prayers, and words of encouragement showed during the hard time of our brother. Rest in peace, Bright Owusu. Daniel Kwesi Ejei Okodie ne omo general manager for Aka Ebenezer Production. Akabeneza. Akabeneza Production.
Oh yeah, unjo wonu oya ni de bia why serious
look at him.
MC hano na oya because me say wayare for some time but MC na say na eba social media ni ma speculations ni sha say obi e kan de nti say mo di statement ba so no kra wayare but statement ni bi o amanfo kan enye no kra but then Confanoti teaching hospital yeah man all the ayaresa. But
anyway, but I'm saying you better the Akana 20 best. You better the Akana 20 best. 20 best bar or be a manager no ne the idea be na no yare ne sa ne man. In fact ni nyina no 20 share 20 sorry 20 bar obey justice to all the details now all the amount. The unfortunate thing is that around here they say for the Bright Owusu aka C Confion na omo Akabeneza omo skate omo twetwe ya short videos a bi o hwe bia na so filia fine na brantie me amahye no be 5 or 6 videos a na owomu a so we serious ankasa say I mean I'm sure say bia wan kabo ba bi kra na me sure say nipa na or share so in the process ebe Kwakuma no enye mo because na we how serious yeah I'm telling you nti
so we mu ina no enne ka no covid ya na eba omo GD pa because covid time here Dr. Like Akabineza mo we chat say yes skater you use say potentials be break cra no Evans said you na Ghana ne your last match e boy your last match e boy baba yara ilusu ye no aha mi hu omo oni ozo bia na yete no omo betana da omo ne omo ne baakuya checheku ana
da bi baakuya ono so ya na why serious yi oh baakuya ya no why serious ya Leila aha Leila
they say Leila de no yes serious so guys are serious Leila
what me jam ho bo bam
no I got him
me video bi what the motto
senior man
no de ko sewuram ba bi nam say wo pie ye ne ho atete nam say awurade Nyankopɔn ntimi ho mo ho the first time I
say the way am be mo ni adio
Nyankopɔn fa ne kransie nti abusuafo ye jade aka no de ama 20 best ba obey justice to stories no details we here bia no on be ho adwuma so yenua C Confion Nyankopɔn fa kransie very sad news coming in this morning we are for now we know the student and I say is kitchen biana okay at the early days senior high oh anyway Evansinkum abante ma hwe na ida
me hwe na ida
oh okay so they look and they are on pay
Akoma FM 87.9
Terminator
me hwe local no say we are on social media no so no outing share ya but no particular na mean share that name
oh me da ma hwe na yi
but what shall Cabineza skate
wa Cabineza ma hwe enye bebre but
yeah
I mean one
but you can say you ma Cabineza abaso
yeah
in fact enye but you see impact or make our industry I'm telling you may I picked information say or young ladies be almost starting here and they women na kra ko dia bruchiri
oh no yeah
yes or pick talent shem mabunu na odo nti at the point no complain say yeah adwuma bi ho a mo so ye no no crackers won't tribute but I don't know what happened anyway but we moving on I am quite him na ye hwe no e be hwe the doctor mamunu ba umia but mo